Alright, I'm redoing this trade recap. So our bias for the day was bearish. So we're looking for shorts. Slight news today, nothing crazy. Marked out these pre-market lows, pre-market highs, and whatnot. Market opens, we sweep these lows, broke structure to the upside. You see this big freaking rally up. I kind of have FOMO today, but I literally told myself, there's no need to have FOMO. There's nothing to take. Our bias is bearish, so there's no reason to have FOMO right now. And as you can see, we sweep these highs, and we're locked in. Break structure to the downside. We also invalidate this fair value gap. So that's three things we want to see: liquidity sweep, break a structure, and then we invalidated this fair value gap. Come in, respect this fair value gap, but by that time we entered around here. Entered at this point, come all the way down, almost hit TP, and at this point, this is a retracement to this big candle right here, this big imbalance. And I thought, oh shit, we might look for a reversal back to the upside, but we stayed strong, end up hitting break even, and then come back rallying down. I guess coming back into that imbalance, and we rally down all the way to our take profit. Take profit was based on this, I think, 1 hour imbalance. It was a big imbalance. That's all I know. Maybe 30-minute. I think it was a 30-minute, 15-minute maybe. Wait. It was some sort of imbalance, high time frame imbalance. That is what Jesus Christ. That is what the first and only take profit was based on. It might have been this. Oh, it was. It literally was. It wasn't. It was a what? It was a 5-minute. All right. I thought we were on the 1 minute for a second. It was a 5-minute imbalance based on this imbalance right here. Man, I hate the way I talk, bro. Oh, my magnet's not on. Yeah, based on this, we could have had a runner based on this at this point, but it's whatever. Let's go over to the P&L. 996. We made on the demo account $12 on the day. Solid day. This is the last week of the month, so we got to be smart. But that says a lot about me and what I've been doing. That's basically saying I haven't been smart this whole month. So maybe this is a wake up call. I need to be smart with every single day from now on. Make sure every single trade is with our plan. Have confidence and conviction. You know, I feel like I've definitely traded a lot this month. Maybe, I don't know. I definitely feel like I did slightly better last month at this point. But we have this whole week ahead of us. Good start to the week on this Monday. Anything else am I forgetting? Yeah, nothing much. Follow your bias every single day. I always watch these back and forget to say something, and it pisses me off. But I feel like that's it. I know I'm gonna forget something. Take profit was stop loss was based up um, at these highs with little extra breathing room. We risked about $6. The stop loss was about $6 ish, even less than 1%. So, risk management is on point right now. One thing I saw on Twitter yesterday, or the other day, I don't know if it was yesterday or the other day, but either way, it was a tweet about, it was a question: would you rather have a high risk to reward but a low win rate, or high win rate and low risk to reward? For me, the one that makes sense for me is the second one: high win rate but low risk to reward. Because why wouldn't you want a high win rate? You can have a high risk to reward, but if you have your stop loss, like this, let's say it's a high risk to reward, but you would have got stopped out. Wait, actually, no, you wouldn't. But either way, you would feel more confident. At least for me, I would feel more confident, having, because trades usually, like what I've seen with the experience I have, is price likes to go in drawdown for a little bit and then go in your direction. And me personally, I've been trying to work on this. I do not like seeing my shit. I don't like being in a trade, I get stopped out and the hope price goes in my direction. Sure, that's a really good loss to take, but that could have been avoided, And I don't want to take the trade right after. You could, if you have confidence and conviction, but that would, in my mind, that would be like, damn, am I revenge trading right now? And what if I get actually stopped out again, Because, price just didn't want to go in that direction. So I would rather or good amount of breathing room for my risk to reward, and then end up winning it, than having a high risk to reward. They both have each other, They have good pros and cons with each, and honestly, it honestly just depends on the individual, what works for them. That works for me. Maybe that works for someone else. But yeah, I mean, a high win rate, bro. You win a lot, win more than you lose. Have good risk management. See, if you have good risk management and you're having like a high risk or a low risk to reward, I feel like that combination is really good, because either way, you can manage how much you're risking. Each day, I can manage the dollar amount, how much I'm risking, or the percentage of my account I'm risking. It just goes, like, it just matters about your contract size, or how much you're risking, You can risk every day the same amount, or every day, every trade you take is going to change the account size, but, it will be relatively the same area if you're risking the same percentage amount each day, which should be 1% or 1 to 3%. So for me, that's what I think. High win rate, and I'm willing to risk a lower risk to reward to maybe have a better outcome and me winning the trade. That's just me. I'm yapping, but I thought that was cool to share. I haven't been really studying every day, like doing chart work and back testing. I feel like all of that's not over with, because I should always look to improve and touch things up. But I think just now is really just time and experience. I think there's everything I need to know to learn. From now on, I'm probably just gonna go through fair value gaps, sweeps, and break a structure because that's so simple to me. Like I can get that down packed now. So there's really nothing much to really learn. Things to improve on is really just psychology and your mind, or my mind and my mindset, and just time and experience is really it. Bro, did you guys see JJ Redick got freaking signed to the Lakers? That's crazy. Dude, get this dude off my feed, bro. Like, bro, this dude's so annoying. Oh my god. Alright, let's go over it. No comment. Shouldn't even have looked. Bruh. I have a parlay of this right here. The Glizzy Gobble. The Great Glizzy Gobble. I have everybody over except for Zias. Hold up. What? Bro, I got Sarah Safari over too. I got everybody over on Prize Picks. Dude, no. Italian is definitely going over. The ones I'm not confident about is... Okay, I got Steve will do it 14.5. They have to eat, or they get 15 minutes to eat how much they can eat, or the most they can eat. Steve, more than 14.5. Bro, y'all know Steve though. That motherfucker's a eater. If y'all don't know who Jack Italian, he's 10.5. I put him more over. Bro, he can eat. He's a little fatty too. Zias, bro, I don't know about him. And I did some research. People on X were saying he ain't about it. I didn't think Sarah Safari about it, but everybody has her over. Everyone. So I got her over. I got Zias 12.5. No way. I got him less. Ain't no way he's eating 13. I got Chetty, freezer tarps more than 9.5. That one's I am not really too confident, but he's a big boy. And with the Trent dude, I never heard of him in my life. But people on Twitter said he seemed confident, so I got him over 10.5. Alright, I'm yapping, I ain't gonna lie. What am I doing? But that was about it. How long have I been talking for? Alright, I'm done. Play some music. Right or wrong, everybody around me top, I come to my space. Everybody highlights up in my space. When we disconnect the Wi-Fi. Bye bye.